Okay, so where I'd left off was, you'll notice that the exponent, which is a 3 here and a 2 here, and you can't read that, barely, is 1 less than the end value. These are the end values. The end value is 4, but the exponent is 3. Here the end value is 3, but the exponent is a 2. So that's why this exponent is the variable minus 1 for the denominator. And I'm going to go ahead and move on. Try to make this kind of quick. So we're moving on to properties of sequences, and you'll always have a formula sheet, but it's nice to practice using these, and also you'll also have a calculator, but it's nice to use the formulas to see where these numbers come from. So one thing you can do, let's just find the following sum. So if you've got a summation of 3k, you can take the 3 and throw it out front, and here's the first formula. You can take that 3, throw it out front, and then just find summation of k from 1 to 5 of k, and then multiply it by 3. And to do that, you can use this formula right here. So if I do that, and I just plug my numbers in, I love formulas because you can just plug things in. So our 3 is in front, and we're going from 1 to 5. So n is 5. And then times n plus 1, which is 6, over 2, break out your calculator, and you get 3 times 15, you get 45. Now that's the exact same answer that you would get had you plugged this original expression, summation, into your calculator, and make sure you put the 3k in the parentheses. You'll get the same exact answer. That's just a way to do it by hand. Okay. Second one. So if you ever have a summation problem where you've got 2 different terms, you can do the summation of each of those separately. And that's what this first formula says. I can find the summation of k cubed, and then I can find the summation of k from 1 to 3 of just 1, and then I could just add them together. So k cubed is using this second formula right here. And then this is a constant, and that would be this formula right here. And this is how you do these by hand. So you would follow the formulas, plug the numbers in, and if you do it correctly, you'll get 39. Again, if you put all this into the calculator the way it is now, and make sure you put it inside the parentheses, you will get the exact same answer. See if you can try the last one here. Press pause and try it with the formulas, and then also with the calculator. See if you get the same answer. All right, so what happens here is first you separate each of the terms. This 7k, the 7 can be thrown in front. This is a constant. So if you follow and use the appropriate formulas for each of these, you should get negative 32. Or just throw this in the calculator and make sure you put the entire thing inside parentheses. And I think I am finished. Yep, that's it. Peace out.